Healey, director here at Century 21 Newcastle in Newcastle, back with you for our Monday wrap, keeping Newcastle investors up to date on what's happening in the current rental market, tips, tricks and strategies to maximise your return on your investment. As always, Nicole joins me.
Morning, welcome back, Case.
Thanks, Nick.
A bit of a week away.
I did have a week away at Yamba. Such devastation up there and obviously all the way up the coast. So it was really sad actually seeing so many houses underwater and so much water around. And look, we were okay. We were just flooded in, not flooded, but so many people really, devastating.
Yeah, it's terrible. Like to watch it back here on the news and what's going on, just feel for everyone involved. And,
Yeah. So if anyone, any of our landlords, clients, or anyone needs any help that we can assist somehow remotely from here, please do reach out. We'd love to be able to help you however we can. This week, what have we done in the last 7 days? We've received 285 tenant inquiries. 4 inspections were scheduled, applications received 73, and of those 4 properties shown, the 4 properties were leased. So average days on market still sitting quite low at about 6 days at the moment. Current stock levels, I think we've got 2 properties released.
Yeah, there's 2 or 3, I think, online, but yeah, we didn't have opens on Saturday. So.
Girls were loving it. Nothing to show Saturday, so
yeah, there's one out at Fletcher open again this afternoon, and a couple that are popping on this week. So,
we'll see how we go for this Saturday, but still, numbers of properties available are still really in short supply.
Yeah, definitely. Now, we've also got some exciting news that I thought you'd like to share.
Yes, we're so proud, so grateful and honoured to actually take out the Real Estate Business National Award for Property Management Agency of the Year again this year. So back to back, 2021, 2022. So great achievement for our agency and just a recognition for the hard work the team does provide in an industry we love and continue to serve.
Yeah, and I know you celebrated even while up at Yamba.
I did. Usually they'd have these awards on Zoom, but they didn't this time. So I was just on FaceTime with Hermione Gardner, which is actually one of our coaches that we do lots of training with. So big congratulations to Hermione as well, who took out Mentor of the Year. So it was great all round.
Yeah, it was awesome. Excellent. So this week I actually want to share just some minor changes in rental properties for tenants. So just the information I'm about to go through, any landlord or potential landlord can to go back to like fair trading website. So this is all the information I'm just pulled up this morning to have a look from there just to clarify this all with you. So tenants can make minor changes to a property with the landlord's consent, so that has to be in writing. If the tenant's request is actually considered minor, then the landlord must oblige. You've got to be reasonable on those things. So the tenants are living in the property.
They need to make it their home.
It's not rechanging the structure of it or knocking down walls. That's not what we're talking about. It's the minor things. Tenants do need to pay for those minor changes unless the landlord agrees to do that as well. So just a few things just to highlight for you what a few of the changes could be. It could be securing furniture to a non-tiled wall for safety reasons. So I suppose maybe a TV would be probably an example.
Or even like a bookcase. I had a tenant just a couple of weeks ago come through and say, can you ask the landlord for approval just to secure the bookcase? We've got young toddlers and they pull themselves up on these type of things and they don't want it to come down on them.
Yeah, definitely. Inserting fly screens on windows is
I
another
honestly suggest to every landlord put fly screens on your property. So, and especially as long as they're windows that can have fly screens, I think that's just a nice thing.
Yeah, I think so as well.
Property.
Keep the bugs out.
Yeah.
Installing or replacing hooks, nails or screws for hanging paintings, pictures, frames or other similar things. So that comes into where you want to make that home your home. Yeah, absolutely. And on a recommendation for that, if you've got a vacant property, go and install some hooks. Let us arrange some hooks to be put on the walls.
Yeah, just put them middle of the wall, strong, sturdy hooks into the batten, the
framework.
Yeah.
Builders.
I know what I'm talking about. So make sure they're installed properly, and that way the tenants will use knows what's actually available and won't go and put
The
additional
stud. Sorry, it's
studs.
just come
That's
to me.
it. That's the word I was looking for, into the stud. And I would put one of those on every wall, and then you won't have tenants installing additional hooks.
Yeah, that's right. Installing a wireless removable outdoor security camera. So that's probably something that's been a little bit more common
These
now.
days.
Yeah, making modifications that don't penetrate a surface. Yep, so they can, you know,
Stick things.
yeah, into there. Now, a landlord may require, so as a landlord, it might be the things like the phone, the internet, or handheld showers, things in the plumbing there for disability or someone who needs those, aged care people. You can request to have a professional to do those repairs as well. But even if the change is included with anything that we spoke about, just remind us the tenants still need to get that landlord permission.
Definitely.
Yeah, that's it for me today.
And it's my first day back, so I'm just scratching.
Even caught up really this morning.
Alright, so if you've got any questions in relation to your property, if we can help you in any way, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here. We'd love to have a chat. We want to help you along your investment journey to secure financial freedom through property.
I'm Nicole Hoare, investor consultant here at Century 21.
And I'm Casey Healey, director here at Century 21 Newcastle. We'll talk with you next week.
Bye.
Bye.